and today I am honored to cook for you guys again. Yes guys, it's called Snert. Grab your bowls, sit, relax, and lunch will be served. Stay tuned guys.
Amazing. Like,
Yeah?
I love it. I love it.
Yeah, you don't like, right?
Nah.
Please like, subscribe, and share. Hey, what's up my amazing people? How are you guys doing? It's me, Greg, coming to you again from beautiful Paramaribo, Suriname. And today I am honored to cook for you guys again. I'm going to cook for you another one of my favorite dishes. I must apologize to you for not producing or making that much videos lately. November, December, it's coming down to crunch time. Very busy with work. But hey, I'm going to still try to make videos as much as I can. As you can see, I'm sweating guys, just please excuse me. We're home. Nick is here with me again. Nicholas, my buddy, is here and he's helping me. We're doing some work at home. But we gotta eat, right? So we're multitasking today. So today, I'm going to prepare for you another one of my favorite dish, guys. Another one of Suriname's favorite dish also. Mom is going to help me too because she is in the kitchen and I am here and there. I'm not a fan of soup. Sometimes, you know, I can have it every now and then, but there is one soup I love. Yes guys, it's called Snert. Snert in Dutch. In English we say split peas or yellow peas. I don't know what you guys call it in your country, but here in the Caribbean we call it split peas, yellow peas. In Suriname it's called Erwten, yellow peas. So we're gonna make for you today a very delicious split pea soup. And I'm gonna add these ingredients to it. Some chicken feet, which is a very special ingredient, a famous ingredient in the soup, and some pigtail. And I love okra in the split pea soup. Pepper, onion, garlic, some celery, and we have some other ingredients like salt and black pepper. This is one of the important ingredients. It's known as pigment corals or lontai. Actually, Mom is helping me doing this because, as you can see on the table here, I got a kitchen in a mess right now. We are busy installing a new toilet system. We're doing the work ourselves, so Nicholas is helping me. And you know when he is here, he's going to do taste testing for me also.
Man.
And I know he's looking forward for this soup.
I'm sorry, Hannah. You couldn't be here, but like someone gotta eat the food.
So in between this and in between preparing that soup, we're gonna have a very delicious lunch today. Look, Mom is standing by there waiting. Look, she's standing by there waiting. Shy as ever. She's helping me prep this too, guys. So I'm not gonna take all the credit for it. Mom is gonna help me do it, but we're gonna do it together. And we're gonna show you a delicious yellow peas, split pea soup. Very simple to prepare, guys. Very simple to prepare. It doesn't take much. Like I said, I show you the basics and you can do the rest for yourself. Grab your bowls, sit, relax, and lunch will be served. Stay tuned, guys. Mom is boiling the pigtail. Remember, guys, it's very salty, so you gotta boil it out. In the meantime, she's also frying up the chicken. So all what we say the rank water was gonna fry out. So she's starting the process, frying up the chicken and boiling the pigtail. So we continue. The split piece is boiling now. Mom will put the salted pigtail in there and it's gonna boil together because it's boiled but it's still a little bit tough. So she's gonna add it to the peas that's boiling. So that's gonna boil together. And you have the other ingredients. Onion, garlic, some fine leaf thyme, broadleaf thyme. That celery, that's for garnishing. The okra will go almost last. You have some madanchanet pepper. Hey Dan, this is another Surinamese dish you have to try, my friend. Erwten soup, split pea soup. And you have the chicken feet and the chicken.
When that is 3/4 way finished.
Mama said when this is 3/4 way finished, then we'll put this inside. It's coming together, guys. It's all coming together. Like my buddy Danny will say, it's all gonna come together in love. It's been like about an hour. The split peas is still boiling with the pig's tail. You know, guys, if you want, you can use a pressure cooker also. It'll go faster. But we choose to just boil it on the stove. And by the way, Mom took it over from me. Looking good now? Is that right now? Okay. That's the famous Erwten soup. Another favorite dish of mine. And probably the only soup I love. I'm not the kind of person that loves soup with provisions. Like cassava, plantain, edo, and a whole bunch of other stuff inside. Nah, I don't know why I never liked those kinds of soup. This is probably the only kind of soup I would eat. And I love. Actually, guys, when I was in the Philippines, there's a soup that's called sinigang. That's not bad either. So Mom is adding that chicken inside now. She had cooked it a little bit earlier. So now she'll just add everything to the pot. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. And it's going to continue boiling for probably 20 more minutes, maybe, Mommy? How long more?
When the chicken finish.
Oh, when the chicken's finished, Mommy said. So you can put the onions and pepper, everything inside now too? Okay. I know, here in Suriname, we love to eat a lot of pepper. Madame Snert, one of our favorite pepper.
The okra on the later and this later.
Mom says she'll put the okra and pepper later.
And the celery later.
And the celery later. In goes the fine leaf thyme, the thick leaf thyme. The celery is for garnishing at the end. And this flavors it too. Lontai. One escape away. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. It's coming together. It's coming together. You're gonna put salt in now?
Let it cook for a while and then you taste it.
Okay, Mom says she'll cook it for a while, then she'll taste it. So this will boil for about another 30 minutes, or like Mom said, when the chicken is finished. And I don't like the soup too thin, like watery, and too thick. It has to have the right consistency. And now we'll see if Mom can do it today. Smile! Mom is shy for the camera. Mom is gonna check it to see if the chicken is boiled. Oh, she's putting the okra inside. Look at that.
And this.
And the Madame Jeanette. So I guess when the okra boils, then that's it.
Oh, and this, when it turn out this too.
Oh, Mom said when she turns off the stove, then she'll garnish it with that. Actually, a Surinamese Snert, I don't think I recall seeing they put okra inside. But I like the okra inside. So this has a little touch of our cooking. Okay, so looking good, looking good. 10 more minutes.
After Hardy's bird.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You cook a nice soup today, huh? Smile. And Nicholas is patiently waiting here to eat. We still have a little bit more to do. Table's clearing up about the next 30 minutes and we're finished. And in the meantime,
It's finished.
Mama's looking at the pot. You see the consistency? It's not too watery. It's not too thick. So let's check for salt. Perfect. Perfect. And that's, my friend, that's a Snert, Surinamese yellow peas soup, split pea soup. That's how I like my soup. That's the kind of only soup I probably would eat here in Suriname. Provision soup, it's not for me. This is what I love. Look at it. Oh, mommy, I'm gonna forget this. This is the garnishing. And this gives it a good kick, guys. And there go my amazing people. Soup is ready. Let's eat.
Ah!
Nicholas is fighting with the trying to fix the toilet, sister.
Hello.
Okay. So we'll do a taste test. Actually, Nicholas will do the taste testing. He's always here on Saturdays. So he gets to taste the goodness.
I get to eat what Hannah does.
He gets to taste the goodness. Hannah, sorry.
Keep crying in the comments.
So after a hard day's work, it's what now, 6 o'clock, having some dinner. Nick is gonna go home.
Yes.
And I'm gonna finish up what I'm doing. Okay, Nick, after a hard day's work, you got a
Some soup.
bowl
Nice
of soup. Look at that soup, man. You got your salted pork pigtail, your chicken feet. Okay, buddy.
It looks so nice. I don't even want to dig in, you know?
You got some okra in there too, right?
Yes.
Okay, man.
Ah, let's taste.
That's the first time you're eating a soup like that, right? I mean
Yeah.
that I cook or mom cook.
Let's see.
That's a Surinamese Erwten soup, man. That's
so good, man.
split peas. That's the only soup you'll find me eating a lot. I love it.
Thank you. Oh, amazing. Like,
Yeah?
I love it. I love it.
Yeah, you don't like it, right?
Nah. Right. All the flavor mixes so well.
Yeah.
Like, it's so good.
And besides some salt and some seasoning,
That's
just
it.
garlic, onion, thyme, lontai, celery or parsley. That's it.
The perfect thing for Christmas time that's coming up. Call over the family.
Yeah.
Make some soup. Perfect.
Buddy, Christmas is pepper pot.
True.
Pepper pot.
But I
And that's my plate. Look, the Madame Chanet's there. So overall,
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I love
Okay.
it.
All right. I mean, that's a little bit too ambitious, but all right, it's okay. All right.
Home cooked food is always the best food.
Yeah, of course. It was a all day working today, so I'm so tired. So I was cooking the soup and then mom took it over because she saw me working there, so I had to get the work done and it's still finished. That's okra. That's the only how if you fry okra and give me like fried okra, I can't eat it. I don't know why. It's too slimy. But if you do it like this in a soup or whole curry, that's how I love it.
Yeah. So nice.
Ah. It's a good soup, Nick.
It is.
Yeah, mom, it's a good soup. Thank you. You took it over. And you add the flavors, you add the spices. Okra. You see, it's not too thick, it's not too thin. Perfect consistency. It's good, guys. That's a good soup. Good soup to end the day. Good soup to end the day. We have the pigtail. The pigtail, by curing in salt, it just complements the other flavors in the soup. It just blends in. It's not salty. Not salty at all. Pretty good.
Everything just fits so well.
Yeah. And pepper, I put it here. Oh, this is so flavorful. This is what we use here in Suriname a lot. We Surinamese, we love to eat pepper. And remember, I'm from South India. I'm a Madras. I love pepper. It's in my blood. Mmm. Good guys, good. All in all, I won't say a 10 out of 10. Probably a 9 out of 10. It's a good soup, guys. Good. So we're gonna continue eating. This is so easy to make. You guys can do it. One of my favorite dishes. The only thing that took long to cook is the split peas and the pigtail. If you have a pressure pot, you can pressure it and it will finish faster. But mom just did it over the gas stove, so it took its time and it all blended and melted together. Suriname Erwten soup. Suriname Snert. Split pea soup. Thank you for joining us in this video. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always commenting on my channel. I love your comments. I read all your comments. If I take long to reply to your comment, guys, I'll get your comments. I'm not ignoring anyone. I'm not taking anyone for granted. I just so busy these couple of months, but I'm gonna get your comments for sure because I love your comments. I love the way you comment on my channel. So all in all, good soup. We'll finish off our dinner. Nick is gonna go home. I'm gonna continue what I'm doing. So you guys take care. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And for sure, I'll catch you guys on the other video. Bye for now, guys. God bless.
Bye.